Acetic acid, glacial acetic acid. It is considered as one of the most deep-acting constitutional remedy, and according to Kent, any substances which has been abused as a food is considered as a great remedy, and the sphere of action is over the epithelial cells and mucous surfaces. The pathogenesis involve mucous surfaces which produces irritation, inflammation and excessive reaction, and it has a power to liquefy albuminous and fibrous deposit, resulting in these set of disease conditions. There are 5 important keynotes which you have to consider. One is physical generals, fever, hemorrhage and prostration, marasmus and respiratory system. There are 4 important generals, which is appetite, thirst, stool and sleep. Appetite, there will be no appetite, but instead you can see sore belching, burning water brush and profuse salivation can also be seen. No thirst in conditions like fever, but there are increased thirst in 3 conditions, which is dropsy, diabetes mellitus and chronic diarrhea. Moving on to the sleep, the patient finds better lying on belly. Moving on to stool, we find copious exhausting stool, along with that great thirst and night sweat. It can be seen as an accompanying symptom in 3 conditions, which is dropsy, typhus and phthisis. Fever. For better understanding and easy memorization, remember only this particular emoji for acetic acid fever condition. That is, we find the drenching night sweat, red spot on the left cheek and skin will be hot. Along with that, no thirst during fever. Hemorrhage and prostration, that is traumatic epistaxis, lungs. So female reproductive organ, you find metrorrhagia, stomach. And whenever there is hemorrhage, we obviously find that prostrated. And here the prostration occurs because of 3 important ailments, which is after injuries, the other remedy is sulfuric acid, or because of any surgical shock or anesthetic. And obviously after prostration, we can see that the person becomes weak. So that remember, marasmus and other wasting diseases can also be seen in acetic acid. Moving on to the last condition, which is respiratory system, you see true croup, hissing respiration and especially cough on inhalation. The other remedy is spongia. Moving on to the relationship of remedies, acetic acid is considered as a great antidote for anesthetic vapors, fumes of charcoal and gas, opium and stramonium. Remember, acetic acid antidotes another one particular acid, which is carbolic acid. Moving on to the second one, follows well. In hemorrhage, after China, you can give acetic acid. In dropsy, after digitalis, you can give acetic acid. It aggravates the symptoms of aconite, belladonna, lachesis and milk. The entire remedy acetic acid can be remembered with only these 5 key points.